Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send and receive iMessage from phone number. If you are using any iPhone and you want to send and receive messages on your iMessage using your phone number, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open the settings app here, go for general, go for software update and try to make a software update if you have any pending software updates to avoid issues. After doing that, just go back from here, open the apps section, then look for messages app from here, and then first you have to enable iMessage from here. Once you have enabled, just wait for send and receive option here, and here once you find send and receive, you have to tap on that. And here I have selected an account. If you don't have selected an account from here, you just have to log in or sign in using your phone number here. As you can see, I have email option here, my Gmail option. So if you want to sign in, you just have to select your personal account and then enter your phone number and verify your phone number in your iMessage app section settings. And once you have do that, you will get and receive messages on your phone number and your iMessage on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.